I tapped some maple trees on my property, and I've got a few trees that are leaking sap around the spout. So I'm just going to pull the pail off so you can see what's going on here. So it's got a dark spot. So this one's been leaking a lot around the tap. So what normally causes this is if you drilled an imperfect hole, so it gets a bit oblong. I know that the drill bit I used was really dull in this case, so that's probably why. And I also went on an angle. You should be going 90 degrees into the tree, just straight into the tree. So if you're able to like just pull your tap out by hand, it's a sign it's not tight. I can't really pull this one up by hand, but it's leaking a lot. So to fix this issue, if the tap isn't in the tree far enough, you can just tap it in a bit further. You do want to be careful not to tap it in too far. I don't know if it happens with the plastic or PVC spouts, but if you, with a metal spigot, if you drive it in too far, apparently it can split the wood a bit above and below the spout. So you don't want to do that. You don't want to drive it in too far. That'd be a problem as well. But what you can do is pull the spigot out and wrap some Teflon tape around the spigot, the part that goes inside the tree. So that's what I'm going to do. So just take some normal like plumbing Teflon tape. Just be careful not to go over the hole at the end of the spigot where the sap goes in. Don't want to cover that or your tap's not going to work. Yeah, just give it a few wraps and then insert it back in the tree and hopefully you will be good. So this is what it looks like with some Teflon tape. I'm going to put that back in the hole and hopefully no more dripping. Check it out. Sap's running next day. No leak. Tree's dry. So Teflon tape worked. So that's how you can seal your taps if you are getting leaking around the spigot. Just put some Teflon tape around it. Happy sap collecting, my friends.